You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting German word, meaning thanks or thank you in Japanese. The full expression is Dankeschön, but most people in Germany, when you're in Germany, it's very important to know how to say thank you, of course. Danke, danke, danke is how you say thank you simply in Germany, or Dankeschön, but generally you can just say danke, danke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.